Here's a weekly long-term projection for the S&P down Nasdaq. Basically, I'll be doing a long-term forecast every Sunday for the Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow, and updating it every week. And today is January 2nd, 2011, and Happy New Year's. Anyway, uh, for the Nasdaq 3-year chart, from the 1280 bottom, it looks like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and a zigzag wave 2 from 2520 to 2080. And we recently broken a pattern break above 2500, 2520, and we're setting up for either a third wave move or a fifth wave move. If this area over here is a wave 2, the highest target I have for the Nasdaq is as high as 4,000. Yes, that'd be wave 1, wave 2, and then wave 3. And this is a pattern break setup, and if this is a wave 2. If this is a wave 4, the highest target I have for Nasdaq is as high as 2850 in a fifth wave. That would be 0.618 times wave 1 plus wave 3. Basically, the 4,000 projection in the Nasdaq is 1.618 times wave 1 plus wave 3, which is from 1280 to 2520. And 4,000 would be exactly 1.618 to the upside. That would be beautiful because that would be would actually get close to Nasdaq 5,000, which only 1,000 points away if we get to that level. I mean, just think about it this way, okay? From 1280 to 2520, we basically almost doubled in value. Well, we've already doubled in value from 1280. So to get to 4,000, we have to go up about 50%, which isn't unheard of because I mean we did already double from the 1280 bottom. So 4,000 isn't actually like completely insane. It makes sense because I mean this is a third wave attempt or a third wave breakout move. Anyway, for the S&P, let me start with the fifth wave target. If this is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and this is a wave 4, and the rally off of 1020 is a fifth wave up, the highest target I have for the S&P is as high as 1380 in a fifth wave. That would be 0.618 times wave 1 plus wave 3. If this area right here is a wave 2, however, the highest target I have for wave 3, if it's 1.618 times wave 1 plus wave 3, is as high as 1900 in the S&P. Again, this isn't unheard of because I mean S&P went from 666 to 1220 or 1250 where we are now. So I mean we've already doubled. So it's like it isn't insane. It's actually quite a possibility. It's a real possibility that we can get to that level. So basically, so far Nasdaq highest target is 4,000. Highest target for S&P is 1900. For the Dow, if this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and this is a wave 5, the highest target I have for the Dow is as high as 12,500. That would be 0.618 plus times wave 1 plus wave 3. If this is a wave 2, however, the highest target I have in a wave 3 is as high as 17,000, which is 1.618 times wave 1. I've, in the past couple of years, I mean, you'll see my videos. Just if you have a chance, just go on YouTube and Google and search these videos in my YouTube channel. Um, Basically 2 weeks before the '09 bottom, I called it right on the number. One of the videos I called 6,500 in the Dow and 650 in S&P. And S&P hit 666, and then Dow hit 6,500 on the nose. So I basically called the bottom right on the numbers, and it was pretty easy, man. It was pretty clear cut. It's 5 waves down, and obviously we need to retrace that, and it was pretty obvious to me. But to most people, it's like whatever. But to me, it's like duh, which is it was just pretty unique on its own. Anyway. The second bottom call I had was June of 2010, this summer. Where I called the bottom that was within it was within a couple weeks of the bottom. I said that there was a chance that we bottomed here, and we did. We came off of 9,700 in the Dow, and now we rallied to higher highs. So that's my history in the past couple of years. And whenever I have long-term projections like this, you have to listen very carefully because it's a big deal. And my website, again, is wavegenius.com. WAVE genius.com. That's a wrap.